Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an Empties video. These are not only beauty products that I have gone through, but also lifestyle favorites. If you guys are new to my Empties videos, I like to show you beauty and lifestyle trash because I am also a lifestyle channel. I mean, I mostly do beauty stuff, but I always love to incorporate lifestyle videos here and there, and my Empties videos are definitely part of that. I actually have two bags here. I have this one and then another bag that I'm scared to pick up because it's gonna rip, but well, you'll see. Anyway, if you would like to see all the good stuff that I have been collecting or finished in the past few months since I last did my Empties video, I believe my last Empties video went up in May, so June, July, August, that's like 3 months ago. I only want to do these videos every couple months or so because I know that a lot of people are like, I'm not interested in your trash, but I think they're fun because this way I get to kind of share my thoughts with you, say whether or not I would repurchase these items in the future because I have gone through the whole thing, so I kind of have a better idea of, you know, if I like it because I use the whole thing. So without further ado, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post, typically Wednesdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Why did I just say it like that? This look, by the way, is from the video that I posted on Saturday. My dog picked my makeup. Maple picked my makeup. So don't forget to check that out if you haven't already. It's super, super cute. She was a really good girl and kind of worked with me picking out my makeup. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the less heavy bag because this one does not break when I pick it up. And in here, I have a wide variety of stuff that I have just thrown into the bag. Let's start off with dog wipes. These are things that are essential to me. Every time I walk Maple, I have to wipe her feet because I don't like wearing shoes in my house and I don't like tracking in dirt from the outside. So these are the Nature's Miracle Deodorizing Bath Wipes. I believe these were like $5 on Amazon. And then these I just ran out of. Actually, there's one more left in here so that you guys can see what it looks like. These are a little bit thinner than these, but I think they're both great. This one is the Bodhi Dog Pet Wipes made with organic aloe vera, lavender oil, and they are 100% cotton, which is awesome. But you literally will use this all over her body, like her face, her back, her tummy, her legs, and then finally her feet. It's great because it doesn't have alcohol, it's non-toxic, it's using 100% naturally derived ingredients, safe for sensitive skin, no parabens, hypoallergenic, so it's really, really good stuff. I actually have another bottle of these because I got mine in a set of 2 from Amazon. So yeah, if you're looking for wipes for your dog, I think they're essential, and these are definitely great brands. I went through this Dr. Teals Deep Marine Sea Kelp Foaming Bath. This is the Purify and Hydrate blend. I like this. I like trying different Dr. Teals varieties just because they're my favorite bubble bath, as you guys know. And this was a really good kind of calming experience. It doesn't have a super strong scent, but it smells fresh, like it smells clean. I don't know how to explain it. It kind of smells a little bit citrusy, but in a very natural, subtle way. I don't know. I think it's great, and I highly recommend Dr. Teals if you're looking for a really nice foaming bath. I also went through this Dr. Teals foaming bath. This is with coconut oil. This definitely had a more like foamy, softer lather than this one. I think because of all the coconut oil in it. This smells a little bit more like eucalyptusy, like it has that essential oil scent, even though it doesn't really claim to contain essential oils. But this was really, really great. I found that this probably is the Dr. Teals foaming bath that made my skin the softest, like when I was in the bath. It was really, really nice as well. This morning, I just finished the Badescu Special Cucumber Lotion. They call it a lotion, but it's actually a toner. It's like, this variety is a yellow liquid, and it's just a toner that you pour on your cotton pad. I use this toner at night because I would use my Ole Henriksen mattifying toner for the day, but I did really like it. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free. Badescu makes some really good skin products. I would just make sure that you read the ingredients because some of them can contain parabens, which personally I don't like to use on my face because there are preservatives. But this one claims it's for oily, troubled skin, rich in minerals, vitamins, and amino acids, and it's supposed to cool and tone your skin, and I found that it did just that. I think it's a great product, and the price point was pretty mediocre, $15 for an 8 fluid ounce bottle, so I might repurchase again. I like trying so many different things, and in this beauty community, products are always coming out and evolving, so I wouldn't never repurchase this again, but I always want to try new things first. All right, I have quite a few hair products. I'm going to get to those in a little bit, but I finished this Honolulu Sun Bath and Body Works 24-hour moisture ultra shea cream, and you guys may have just seen me talk about this in my July favorites. This is something that I really enjoyed, and in that video I mentioned that I wasn't super like into Bath and Body Works skincare because I just didn't know if it was like worth the high price tag, because this is like $13 for an 8-ounce bottle. But I'm someone who loves scents. You guys know I love candles, and I love like seasonal scents. So for the summer, this was just like amazing for me. The packaging isn't the most convenient because it is a squeezy tube, but I love like how rich and nourished my skin felt after using this. I love it, and I will definitely continue to purchase Bath and Body Works Ultra Shea body creams just in different scents for different times of the year. Okay, something a little random. I went through this Derma E Scar Gel with allicin and panthenol, just a white tub with like, you know, gel inside, but obviously there's nothing in it anymore. I would use this every night or a few times a day for my scar/keloid right here that I did get when I was snorkeling in Maui like last spring, but you know, who's worth it? Who needs to pay for tattoos? Well, you can get one from Mother Nature for free, okay? That's how I like to see it, because you know, I'm a Sagittarius and I'm an optimist, and I like seeing the silver lining in things. A lot of you are probably like, all jokes aside, I did like it when it was drying out. As I was getting more towards the bottom, it was becoming progressively more sticky, so I kind of felt like it was leaving this weird film on my skin. And to be honest, for a while there I thought it was working, but I mean, it didn't reduce the size of my keloid or anything. I don't know, but yeah, I don't know if I would repurchase again, because I just kind of gave up on this. It's like, it is what it is. It's a part of me. It's a memory near and dear to my heart, you know? Okay, probably the most random thing, and hilarious at that, in my Empties. It's a laundry detergent. Don't judge me, okay? This is a lifestyle favorite. This is the Lavender plant-powered laundry detergent with fabric softener. I love it because it's cruelty-free. It is for every machine. It's got safer ingredients. It's good stuff, and I got this at Sam's Club. But I love how like clear it is. Like there's no like additives or anything in it. It smells really nice. I'm using another one because I did run out of this one. I'm using another one right now. This is the only detergent that I use. I think it's amazing, and it's definitely more natural than like Tide or whatever. And as I've mentioned before, I'm trying to transition as many household products as I can into cruelty-free, like dishwashing detergent, which I think I actually mentioned in my last Empties video, laundry detergent, fabric softener, stain remover, all that stuff. I want to be as cruelty-free as possible, and this is a great cruelty-free detergent. All right, next up for soaps, I went through this Bath and Body Works Creamy Luxe hand soap in this scent Ice Green Tea Guava. It looks like there's a little bit left in there, but you can't pump it out anymore. That's kind of how it is with their candles too, but this smells so good. Hand soaps like this will usually last me 2 to 3 months, so I love buying seasonal scents. I'm actually using a raspberry one right now. I honestly think hand soap is one of those products that is worth, I don't know, spending a little bit more than like $1 on. Like this is $6.50 when you buy it retail. They also have a lot of sales where you can buy it for $3. And to me, that's worth it because these scents linger on your skin for a long time. They make your hands feel really like nourished and soft, especially these creamy Luxe nourishing soaps. I think they're worth it. I love these soaps so much. It's the only hand soap I want to buy ever. Speaking of Bath and Body Works, I went through this Cocoa Shea Cucumber Creamy Body Wash. It smells like cucumbers. This is really good stuff. The Cocoa Shea line of Bath and Body Works is really nice. It helps me feel like nourished and hydrated. You know, it's good stuff. Alrighty, I went through this Bath and Body Works Lemon Hand Lotion. It's good. It's honestly not my favorite formula. I mean, it's really nice and hydrating, don't get me wrong, but it does contain mineral oil, so I'm just kind of like, about it. Speaking of maple, I went through this Paws Poopy packs, which are basically poop bags. You guys know that I love this brand. I used to work for them. I know the owners. They're close to me, and they make really good products, and I don't have to say that because I don't work for them anymore, but I generally use them, and ever since I got a dog, I love these poop bags. They come in a bunch of different colors. This was like the yellow variety. You can find Paws online or at locally owned independent retailers, like wherever you are in the States and sometimes international too. So yeah, good stuff. So in my last Empties video, I mentioned that I finished the OGX Biotin and Collagen shampoo. I always finish shampoo faster than I finish conditioner. I don't know why, it's just kind of a thing, but I finally finished the conditioner, so that's exciting. And then I've also finished this Live Clean hydrating shampoo. This is a really, really good shampoo that you can find at the drugstore. It's all natural, SLS free, plant derived. It's really good stuff and it smells amazing and it's affordable. And then I also finished this Hask Chia Seed Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Hask makes really good dry shampoos. They're affordable and I think they're totally underrated, and they have a bunch of different varieties. I felt like this was good. It did absorb my oils. I do have really oily hair, like it gets pretty oily like on the second or third day, so they don't keep my oils at bay like forever, but this is a really good kind of like pick me up. I also went through this Sun-In hair lightener. I use Sun-In to lighten my hair. That's all I use. It's funny because I was at the salon the other day getting my hair cut, and the girl was like, oh my god, like how's your hair so light? And I didn't tell her it was Sun-In because I was like kind of embarrassed, because some people are like, oh, Sun-In, but I was like, oh, I was a swimmer my whole life, so that's why it's lighter, which is true. Totally true. Chlorine messed up my hair. Didn't mess it up, but it made my hair lighter for years and years and years that I was swimming competitively. But now I just use Sun-In, and I would repurchase because I already have, and I'm on my second bottle or third bottle, whatever one I'm on now. Okay, and then I went through these sensitive skin cleansing wipes. These are makeup wipes. You can get them at the dollar store, and I love these because they don't have parabens, harsh chemicals, alcohol, dyes, and they're infused with vitamin E, so I think they're great. They're a little bit more of a thicker, larger cloth, so it covers more surface area, and I think they're great for $1. I mean, honestly, these and the Walmart wipes, I don't feel like I need to buy any other kind of makeup wipe. I'm set. Okay, let's talk about a few makeup products before we get into candles. I want to talk about the Tree Hut Skincare Protecting Daily Moisturizer. This was my go-to SPF moisturizer. Honestly, I didn't finish using this all the way, but once I realized that this has oxybenzone in it, which is a chemical SPF that's commonly found in a bunch of SPFs, I didn't want to use it anymore. I was doing my research on, you know, physical SPFs and chemical SPFs, and I really do like the consistency of this. Like, it's very nice. I actually like it more than my current sunscreen, which is a physical SPF that I started using after this one. And the reason why I want to stray away from oxybenzones and you know, chemical sunscreen at that is because I have sensitive acne prone skin, and I've done my research, and physical SPFs tend to be a little bit better for acnegenic sensitive skin than chemical ones, simply because they provide like a layer, like a barrier on your skin, instead of chemical SPFs, which actually kind of like infiltrate your skin and, you know, do things to chemically protect your skin against the sun. Other than that, I've just read things about oxybenzone that may not be the best for women. They might disrupt your hormone levels, things like that. I don't know how true that is, but I've read multiple sources saying that. So just to air caution to that, I stopped using this moisturizer, but there's something else really wrong with it. That was just kind of like my thing. And I know there's a bunch of ingredients that are, you know, set to cause this and this and this, and that's why I do try to be ingredient conscious. But, you know, every day is a learning curve, and I just want to share that with you in case you may have sensitive skin as well. I went through this Pacifica Bali Coconut Lip Balm. It's a really nice, like, standard lip balm. They come in a bunch of different scents. This smells divine. It doesn't last the longest on your lips, like it doesn't stick to your lips, but it rather kind of like coats them and makes them feel hydrated. I like it. It's pretty average. I also went through this Essence Gel Base Polish. It's only like $4. Essence makes some great nail polish. I'm wearing their top coat on my nails right now. I'm wearing Kale Polish Alyssa, which is a really pretty pink. Oh, match. I love the Essence base and top coats, but they start getting like really goopy once they get old, so it doesn't apply evenly, kind of like leaves like weird streaky residue. So that's old and it has to go. I also went through this e.l.f. Under Eye Refresh, which is what I use every single morning. I'm using another one, so obviously I would repurchase. It's just a really nice rollerball that feels really nice. It's infused with caffeine and a lot of other ingredients to help your dark circles, so it's good stuff. I also went through this e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator in the scent Grapefruit. This is really good stuff because it's my favorite like affordable stick lip exfoliant. It's really gritty, really hydrates, and really kind of exfoliates your dead layer, so I love that a lot. I also went through this e.l.f. Acne Rollerball, which is a really great kind of like standard Acne Rollerball. It does have alcohol in it, so I'm not like the biggest fan, but it's super convenient, and for $2 I think it does a great job. I went through 3 concealers. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C6. It's like dried out and stuff right now. It's good. It's pretty standard. I don't think it has the best coverage, and I definitely don't think it's a dupe for the Shape Tape. Only thing I think these two things have in common is that they have similar packaging, but other than that, I don't think they're similar. This is the Shape Tape, my favorite high-end concealer of all time. It's so good. I am definitely going to repurchase because I can't be without it. I can't. And then I also went through this ColourPop concealer in the shade Light 20. I obviously did repurchase. I now have the shade Light 18 because they kind of renamed all of their concealers. I would probably say this is one of my top favorite affordable concealers. It's really good coverage, nice flexible doe foot. And then I went through this Urban Decay Subversion Lash Primer. It's just a standard lash primer, and I liked it. It's really good. Not as good, in my opinion, as the Tarte lash primer, but I think it still does a really good job. Okay, I have some candles I want to share with you really quickly, and then this video is over. This is the White Barn Cinnamon Spice Vanilla. Went through this. It smells like horchata. It's amazing. Also went through the Pineapple Crumb Cake. Smells amazing. Just smells like so buttery and fruity and yummy. I love it. And then I went through the White Barn Vanilla candle, which just smells like vanilla, but it smells like vanilla marshmallow. It's really nice. And I'm so excited that I've actually finished a bunch of candles because now I can make room for fall candles, but I'm willing myself not to buy any fall Bath & Body Works items till September because I already have like enough summer items to last me, and it's not fall yet, so I can't buy them yet technically according to my principles. But yeah, trust and believe, when September rolls around, I'm gonna be making my way to Bath & Body Works ASAP Rocky. I mean, I'm on the website like every day, but you know, a girl can dream, right? A girl can look. This is the Cannoli and Chocolate candle from Bath & Body Works. Smells like cannoli and chocolate. It's really nice. And last but not least, the candle I just went through is the Pistachio Ice Cream. This smells so good. It just smells like almond, and I love almond scented things. It's really nice, and the packaging is so beautiful. Okay, everyone, and that wraps up this Empties video. These were all of my beauty and lifestyle products that I used up in the past 3 months since I did my last Empties video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you have recently gone through in your collection. It could be candles, Bath & Body Works, dog stuff, anything. Just let me know. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have an amazing day wherever you are, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye!